Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your zero contact scrubber, or this can be the same for the Walnut pad holder kit, attaching it to the zero fast lock. The zero contact scrubber and the Walnut pad holder kit will only connect to a zero fast lock angle adapter. Okay, so when you received the Y piece that goes with this, that's going to connect this into this angle adapter, it's going to come with a bolt. Keep that bolt handy. What we're going to do is we are going to unlatch this. You want to make sure to put your fingers around this barrel. You're going to untighten that. Do not lose the barrel. Found the barrel, put that back in there, put that off to the side. I'm going to take out the short little screw here. We're going to take the long screw, put that through here, make sure it's pulled all the way through, put your finger there. You're going to take this Y attachment, you're going to do it this way, and you're going to have this little pin facing up. Then you take that last piece, put it on there. That's the part that's going to go to your brush. Okay, so then you're going to take the barrel here. You're going to want to move this piece back to around here. There's a more open space here compared to if you try to tighten it in there. So we're going to push it right back there. This may take a little bit of finagling, but once you get it going, it's fine. And then after you get it on there, you just want to thread this on. And it doesn't need to be, you don't need to tighten this and make this tight, like this is really tight. This is supposed to be loose to the point that if you keep latching it and it gets really tight over that, then you just want it to be just like this, right? So that you can unlatch it, fix your angles of everything that you want, and relatch it, and it's tight. So this is all good to go. Then your Walnut pad holder or your zero contact scrubber is just going to snap right onto here. So this is the fast lock version. If you get the Euro version, you're going to have threaded female sockets here and a Euro socket here that you'll thread on. I would suggest doing the fast lock just because it's super easy. And then your brush is just going to attach right into here. And boom. You've got your Walnut pad scrubber or zero contact scrubber on the back with your brush on the front, and you're ready to clean. If you got any questions, comment below.